Hi guys, it's me Richmond, and today we are going to replace the back casing of the Redmi Note 8 Pro simply because it is shattered, broken, and damaged. So all you need is the replacement back case, suction cup, guitar pick, and of course this handy tool for removing the case. Okay, of course don't forget the hot air gun. Okay, so first you need to heat it up to make sure that you can remove it smoothly later on during the process. Okay, and by the way, this is an industrial heat gun, not your ordinary hair dryer. Just take note. Okay, so next step is to, and hopefully to pull it off smoothly. Okay, it's hot. Okay, so since it's shattered, so we're having a little difficulty, but yeah, being able to put this pick inside, therefore, uh, it will get the job done. Okay, so since I can see it's really shattered, so removing it is a bit difficult compared to removing a case that is full, that is still okay. So be careful with the sharp glasses. Okay, so yeah, the bottom is already removed. Okay, okay, so we have finally removed it, and the glass back is really shattered, so we're having a hard time removing it. So you can see all the adhesive are on the sides, so when the guitar pick passes through it, the adhesive automatically removes. Okay, but of course before applying the new one, you have to make sure the edges are clean. Okay, remove any adhesive that you can see. Okay, so next is to clean it using a brush. Make sure there's no shattered glass or any sort that is left on this phone before you close it. Okay, okay, there. So next step is to take off this one. Okay, be careful not to touch the adhesive. Then of course the one in the middle and another one here. Okay, this tiny little one. Next step is to close it in. Okay, so yeah, just have to press it like that. Okay, probably we might need to add a little heat so that it might stick properly. Okay, so taking it off the film. It's almost good as new. Okay, so yeah, one final step is just to add some heat to make sure that it will melt and yeah, probably stick itself to the phone. Okay, okay, so basically that's the tutorial on how to replace the back case of the Redmi Note 8 from shattered to almost a brand new phone. Okay, so yeah, that's all about it, and I'm Richmond, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye.